Stampy's lovely world. Today I'll be joined by Alpha Lee and my breakfast. Nom nom nom. And first we'll always do what we always do. Today I'll be joined by Ivolistic Squid, and today I am adding the Butter Queen. That's their Minecraft name. I'm adding her because she made a puppet show all about our lovely world. Now we'll go somewhere over here. Right, today I think I'm gonna choose. I think I'll choose Duncan. Come on, Duncan. Let's go to Mitten. Where's Mitten? There she is. Right, come on. Right, let's go to our funland. Today we'll be building a big statue near our sign, and it will be me. Okay, see you in the next episode. Bye!